Did you know that AI can boost your e-commerce team's productivity by up to 300%? Whether you're running a small team or aiming to compete with the biggest online retailers, AI is the ultimate tool to help you scale smarter, not harder. From automating customer research to crafting personalized marketing and even building a website, AI does the heavy lifting for you. In today's lesson, I'll show you how to find your ideal customers, craft messaging that resonates, analyze your data for growth opportunities, and optimize your website, all using AI. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to grow your e-commerce business. Let's jump right to it. First up, market research. AI tools like Perplexity and ChatGPT are revolutionizing how businesses understand their markets. Perplexity is particularly great for gathering insights quickly from diverse sources, while ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas or analyze trends. Market research is the foundation of any successful e-commerce business. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, customer reviews, industry reports, and social media trends in minutes, saving you hours of manual research. Here are 3 prompts you can try right now to get started. Throughout this video, we'll use an example of an e-commerce store that specializes in headphones, earbuds, and kitchen accessories. 1. What are the latest trends in headphones and earbuds, and how can a new brand stand out in this market? 2. Analyze the top customer complaints about home kitchen gadgets on Amazon. 3. What are the fastest growing e-commerce niches related to headphones and earbuds expected for 2025? With just one of these prompts, you can uncover trends that could define your next big product. AI helps you identify opportunities, avoid pitfalls, and position your business for success. Next, let's talk about target market segmentation. Once you understand the market, the next step is figuring out who your ideal customers are. Tools like Perplexity and ChatGPT can help you analyze customer behavior, spending habits, and even psychographics to create detailed buyer persona. AI can group your audience into meaningful segments by analyzing demographics, purchase history, and preferences. This lets you create marketing strategies that speak directly to your customers' needs. Let's look at 3 prompts to get you started. 1. Segment customers for an online store selling premium cookware. Provide profiles based on budget, cooking habits, and brand preferences. Analyze this customer data and identify the most profitable audience segments. 3. Create 5 to 6 buyer personas for online buyers of headphones and earbuds and rank them by projected 2025 sales volume. With detailed segmentation, you'll be able to create tailored campaigns that resonate with your audience and drive conversions. Our third focus is marketing messaging. AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude can craft personalized, high-impact content for your audience. Whether you're crafting ads, emails, or product descriptions, these tools ensure your messaging aligns with your brand's voice and resonates with your customers. The key is to be as specific as possible with your input. Include details like your target audience, tone, and product benefits. Let me show you 3 examples to get you started. 1. Write an engaging Instagram ad for a new line of noise-canceling headphones targeting tech-savvy professionals. Keep it sleek and modern. 2. Create an email announcing a 20% holiday sale on kitchen accessories, highlighting the eco-friendly packaging. 3. Generate a product description for a compact juicer designed for a small kitchen. Focus on its portability and easy cleanup. Test different inputs, refine your prompts, and watch AI take your marketing to the next level in no time. Our fourth focus is data analysis for growth. AI is a powerhouse for turning raw data into actionable insights. For e-commerce businesses, data is everything. AI tools like Google Gemini and ChatGPT can analyze sales trends, customer behavior, and website traffic to uncover growth opportunities. AI can recommend inventory adjustments, suggest pricing strategies, or even identify which product bundles will drive the most sales. Let's look at 4 example prompts to get you started. 1. I run an e-commerce site selling headphones, earbuds, and kitchen accessories. What specific data points should I analyze to identify growth opportunities? Focus on marketing, inventory management, and customer retention. 2. Analyze this sales data and identify my best-selling products over the last 6 months. Provide suggestions for optimizing inventory based on these trends. 3. Provide actionable recommendations to recover from a 30% drop in website traffic this quarter, focusing on improving conversions and retaining customers. 4. Based on my current sales data, suggest pricing strategies that could maximize revenue for a mid-tier e-commerce store targeting tech-savvy customers. With AI, you'll have the insights you need to make smarter, faster decisions that drive real growth for your business. Finally, let's talk about website coding and setup. Whether you're adding new features, troubleshooting bugs, or building a brand new site, AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Shopify Magic, and GitHub Copilot can guide you every step of the way, even if you're not a programmer. Here are some sample prompts to get you started. 1. Write code for a carousel to showcase best-selling products on a Shopify homepage. 2. Fix this HTML error. Syntax error, unexpected token. 3. Generate SEO-friendly meta tags for an online store selling earbuds and headphones. AI makes it easy to create a professional, user-friendly website that your customers will love. And there you have it. 5 powerful ways AI can help you grow your e-commerce business. From research and marketing to data analysis and coding, these tools make it easier than ever to scale your business. Have questions or ideas you'd like me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more actionable AI lessons and start building your e-commerce empire today. Want to learn more about how we can take you from AI confusion to AI-powered growth? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation today at investinyourself101.com. Let's work smarter, not harder.